Hello everyone. Welcome back to our new video. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a shortcut on Google Chrome in just a few simple steps. If you are searching to add a shortcut on the Chrome homepage, you come to the right place. But before we jump into it, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I've also added some useful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them. Alright, let's get started. To create a shortcut on Google Chrome, first of all, open the Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once you are on the Chrome browser, go to the home page to create a new shortcut. You can click New tab to open the home page. You will now see this type of screen with your current shortcut website icons and names. If this is not visible to you, click on the edit icon and enable the toggle switch button next to show shortcuts. Below this, select My Shortcuts. Now click on the Add Shortcut button at the end of your current shortcuts. A pop-up screen appears. Enter the name of the website under the Name section. Under the URL section, type the link URL of the website or web page that you want to add into the shortcut section. Here, I have added the YouTube homepage URL. Once added, click on the Done button. Chrome will now create a shortcut icon for the website. You can click it anytime to open the page directly.